Hey everyone, welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, your host, here to give you the rundown on what happened in the markets yesterday. So, here's the deal. After a pretty up and down week and an even wilder month, U.S. stocks ended on a high note. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added about 0.6%, building on the record close from Thursday. The Standard & Poor's 500 jumped 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite wasn't far behind, rising 1.1%. As August came to a close, all three major indexes managed to finish the month in the green, shaking off earlier losses. It seems like the market's mood is shifting, with recession worries and that early August sell-off now in the rearview mirror. The big focus? A long-anticipated pivot from the Fed that's looking more and more likely in September. What got Wall Street so upbeat? Well, we got the latest reading on the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE. Prices rose right in line with expectations in July, and core inflation, which leaves out the more volatile food and energy prices, also ticked up just 0.2% month-on-month, right on target. The annual rate came in at 2.6%, which was a touch below what experts were expecting. Since the Fed watches PCE levels closely, investors do too. With Fed Chair Jerome Powell signaling last week that a rate cut is likely coming in September, this steady inflation data is keeping everyone guessing whether we'll see a 0.25% or a 0.5% cut. And let's not forget about Nvidia. Its earnings kept the market buzzing all week. But even with this late-month rally, the Nasdaq couldn't quite shake off a weekly loss, thanks to some choppy trading in the tech sector. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll catch you tomorrow with more updates. Thanks for tuning in.